Hello, my name's Robert Morgan. I'm a reserves officer with the Norfolk Wildlife Trust, and I want to encourage you to listen to the sounds of wildlife this summer. We should go to my little wildlife plot in the garden, an ancient woodland, and we'll listen to the sounds of the reed beds of the Norfolk Broads. I've created here a small wildlife plot in my own garden. I like to sit by the pond and listen to the fizz and crackle of dragonflies' wings as they sail past my head. For me, summer is the sound of birdsong, and in our gardens we have the sweet song of the blackbird. It always sounds as if it's asking questions, the repeated phrases of the song thrush and the explosive call of the wren. But by late June, birdsong is starting to wane, and even the most enthusiastic blackbird is less vibrant of voice. So, in a summer breeze, I like to listen to the trees. The writer Thomas Hardy wrote that people dwelling in woods could identify a tree by the noise of the breeze in their leaves. The fir tree sobs and moans, the holly whistles as it battles with itself, and the ash tree hisses as it quivers. I hadn't thought of trees in this way, and that every species of tree has its own voice, just as every species of bird has its own song. A summer woodland has character that is defined by the species of trees that are within it, and each wood will have its own sound. The oak tree, early in the year, with its very light leaves, has a papery sound. As the leaves thicken, it turns more leathery. The aspen has fooled many people that a shower of rain's on its way. And the poplar is like the fizz of a soda bottle being opened. Pines whoosh and plane trees rattle. Every wood has its own voice. So this summer, why not listen to the trees? For each one has its own voice. The reed beds of the Norfolk Broads are my personal favourite. In winter, reeds are browned off and dry as bone. When a cold northeast wind blows through them, they sound hollow and brittle, full of complaint. But in summer, the reed is lush green. In a light warm breeze, each leafy stem strokes and caresses one another, whispering a secret that travels gently through the swaying bed. The low hum of 100,000 insects creates a canvas that is spread out for the constant conversation of Reed Warbler. The outraged expletives of the Chetty's warbler and the jingling of the reed bunting to be painted upon it. During a good breeding year, a reed bed can be full of bearded tits, pinging a short, constant note to each other. And in recent summers, we've had the welcome return of booming bittern and the primeval bugle of a Eurasian crane. But we've lost so many sounds of the summer. The crake of rails, the evening song of the field cricket, the chattering of the elm leaves in the hedgerow. Even Thomas Hardy's ash tree is succumbing to dieback disease, and another tree's voice could be sent mute. So the absence of some wildlife sounds this summer should be heard as a cry for help.